The real ones, they're isolated. They walk alone, not because they want to, but because they're built differently. They refuse to fake it just to fit in. They speak the truth even when it hurts. And in a world where most people wear masks, that makes them rare. But here's the thing, when you meet a real one, you feel it. If you're one of them, if you ever feel alone, don't change for anyone. The world needs more real ones like you. If this hit home, you're not alone. Hit like, follow, and share this with someone who needs to hear it.